Well, hey there, North Texas. We still have our WFAA weather alert day that goes until 9 o'clock this morning. With the rain and storms that are currently moving through North Texas, there is a low threat that we could get a severe storm. If that storm were to become severe, we're looking at up to quarter-size hail, wind gusts of 60 miles an hour, very heavy rain, lots of lightning. So just make sure that you have a way to stay updated, have a way to receive those warnings. Download the WFAA app in case that you haven't already done so to get those alerts pretty quickly. So until about 9 o'clock this morning, technically Dallas, we're in that marginal risk for seeing severe storms, but Fort Worth, we're not in it. The farther east you go, later this morning, there's going to be a higher threat of seeing some isolated severe storms. But satellite and radar showing all the rain and storms starting to fill in across North Texas, but currently nothing severe. Some strong storms, of course. There's quite a bit of lightning with these storms. These are very electrical, which could cause some more power outages as we go throughout the morning. So we're going to be watching that very closely. But notice these storms are quickly lifting off to the north and east. They're moving at about 40 to 45 miles an hour, zooming in a little bit closer to downtown Dallas. Some of the heaviest rain moving through right now, and also just east of Terrell. Moving off to the south and west, we have some scattered showers, some thunderstorms in between Eastland, Stephenville, Cleburne. Again, lifting off to the north pretty quickly, and also around Bowie, Bridgeport, Gainesville. Some very heavy rain lifting off to the north and northeast. Looking at our hail sizes, not seeing anything here currently, so that's some good news. So we're not seeing any hail, but again, if we do get any hail later today, that hail would be very small, if anything. This is going to be 6 o'clock this morning, and some of the heaviest of the rain and storms should be just east of the Metroplex, but we're not going to be done with the rain just yet. This is going to be 8 o'clock this morning. It looks like we've got another round of rain and storms moving basically along I-35 off to the east. And again, this is going to be pushing to the north and east later today. About noon, we're still going to have some scattered showers and thunderstorms east of Dallas. We're going to be dry, it looks like, lots of clouds, but again, later this afternoon, the chance of rain, it's still going to be there. It's just going to be extremely low. It'd be very light if we do get anything. This is going to be 7 o'clock this evening, and we still have some rain and showers in between. It looks like Breckenridge and Mineral Wells, and notice the blue. Yes, that's snow. That's going to stay in West Texas and also out in the Panhandle. We're not going to get any snow across the Dallas Metroplex. This is going to be 10 o'clock tonight. Could still see maybe a few sprinkles north of Dallas, but it looks like most of us will be dry. And then as we get into Sunday morning, I think the rain completely moves out of here, and we could actually work in some sunshine during the day tomorrow. So for now, temperatures in the low to even the upper 50s. We're actually at 60 degrees in Tyler and 75 in Jacksonville. These temperatures are going to be a little bit lower later this afternoon. I expect afternoon temperatures to only be in the upper 40s to low 50s. And then overnight tonight, I think we keep the clouds around, but it's going to get really cold with a gusty north wind. Temperatures drop down into the upper 30s around Fort Worth, 40 degrees in downtown Dallas, and 36 over in Bowie. So for today, rain and storms are likely this morning. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will be a possibility later today, but that chance will be a lot lower. Temperatures in the low 50s overnight tonight, mostly cloudy. Light rain will be a possibility. Temperatures drop down into the upper 30s. So it's going to be a cold start to your Sunday. Tomorrow afternoon, partly cloudy and cool, highs only in the low 50s. By the time we get into Monday, we're going to be dry. It's going to be nice. Temperatures in the mid 60s. Looking at the rest of the week does look pretty quiet. It looks dry. It also looks warmer. Highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Looking at the second half of that 14-day, it still looks pretty warm. Temperatures make it back into the 80s, but eventually the pattern's looking a little bit more unsettled with other chances of rain and storms.